Hello guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video I'll be using this filament bulb for this DIY. I have this plastic here which I'll be using it also here. I have this adapter which is for the screw bulb, and I also have this normal bulb holder for this DIY. I have this black wire, and I bought these two packets for these wood sticks, and also I have this super glue that I'll be using to attach all my items together. I'll be spray painting it some parts of this DIY project black, and finally I have this black pipe. Yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. So now, as you can see on the screen, I'm using a candle that is to burn the pipe so that it will melt or it will be flexible, and I'll be using that container as a service guide in making my round shape. After that, this is what I came up with, and that I'm going to cut it into size, but little did I know that this was not a good idea, because it failed, so I had to find another option. So after that, I did find this piece of wood which is already round. So what I'm just going to do is I'm going to make the shape that I want for this DIY. So just keep watching and you will understand the process. So this is where now we start the DIY. I hope you will enjoy this video. Anyway, welcome back to this channel, All Things With Us. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. So in this video today, it will be a bit different. So if you see the ads, kindly don't skip the ads because we are finally monetized. Yeah, we have monetized, so don't skip the ads. First, I'm starting by cutting these little wood sticks. I'm going to cut 4 of them to start making the shape for this DIY, and then after that now I'll be joining all the pieces together. So if you like this kind of content where we do DIYs, makeovers, transformations, and many more, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell down below so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos. Like our videos, comment and share. And again, we are monetized. We are very happy, and we thank you for the support you guys have been showing us. And we just hope that you continue supporting us by watching our videos, liking and commenting. So we are finally monetized. So if you see the ads again, yeah, don't skip them because that is where we'll be getting our revenue. Thank you. So now this is the shape that I was talking about. Yeah, the DIY is coming along very nicely. So I have the shape now. If you've been watching this video till this far and you have enjoyed it and still you haven't liked or subscribed to this channel, kindly like it, comment and share, and mostly subscribe to our channel.